Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I want to thank the company for sending this beautifully boxed gift for me to review. And it actually came just in time for Father's Day. So I'm going to allow my husband to open the bag and see what's in here. Okay. It is a beautiful apron, and it's just wonderful for grilling. And my husband is the master chef in my kitchen and on the grill too. So this is just going to work beautifully. Okay. It says King of the Grill. Has a little crown. It has two pockets here that are nice. There they are. And then it ties in the back. So I'll go back here and tie it. And we'll show you how that works. It fits nicely. So I think we can put him to work cooking, don't you? Get these. They're wonderful gifts for your guys and have them be your king of the grill. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.